Hey everybody, it's Randy Wild Horse, and I got some cereal to try. This is new. Nature's Path Envirokidz Berry Blast Cheetah Chomps. And it's organic, 8 grams of sugar, no artificial flavors, synthetic colors or preservatives, gluten-free. It says save the cheetahs. It's non-GMO project verified. I'm actually going to try this cereal for the first time because, well, it's new, it says, right? I haven't really tried it. Crunchy, delicious too. Like some cereal? Try Nature's Path Envirokidz Berry Blast Cheetah Chomps Organic cereal.